It is. There's something weird going on.
Do you want to do a 15-minute shake to get it right?
Well, no, because then we just have more butter.
Do a lead-in.
I'm actually doing the lead-in right now, and I was leading him into it. We're gonna make a Ramos Gin Fizz. Stay tuned.
Butter.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to show you how to properly make a Ramos Gin Fizz. And we're going to do this based on personal evidence where we invented butter by mistake.
Butter.
So, that all being
Lime
said...
butter.
Lime butter.
It's delicious butter.
Yes.
Here's the recipe.
Powdered sugar. It's delicious.
It's 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounces of simple
Name the
syrup,
reference.
½ ounce of heavy cream, ½ ounce of lemon juice, ½ ounce of lime juice, 3 dashes of orange flower water, 1 fresh egg, club soda on the top at the end. We're going to shake it for a very small amount of time. We're going to then shake it again, wetly,
For a small amount of time.
for a small amount of time. Then we're going to pour it into here, and it's going to lift up, and it's going to look awesome. So,
You know what's awesome is if we did it for a long amount of time.
right. The Ramos Gin Fizz traditionally is 12 minutes. Something's wrong with our
Physics.
something. Something is wrong. And when we tried to do a 5-minute, we turned into butter.
Lime butter.
It was lime butter. Right now, you're going to hear a screech, and it's going to cut to where Ian finds out it made butter. You
Where's
have
it?
it.
No, I made butter.
Oh my god, you did.
Something's wrong here.
What? What are you
Oh
talking
no,
about?
you did.
Add ice. How do you make butter?
You shake heavy cream and you make butter.
Well, okay, we'll put your ice in there.
Maybe you do have to do it cold.
Maybe not. Ian's like, I'm gonna punch you.
Usually you dry. No, usually you
Yeah.
dry shake
No,
it
just
with an
add
egg
ice.
That's
and
butter.
cream. You would dry shake it.
It's wonderful smelling butter, but it's butter.
Now we're back, and we're going to make it this way. This is simple if done without the 12 minutes worth of shaking. You will then pour it in this beautiful thing. You're going to add this crazy Fever Tree premium club soda, which I paid extra premium for, like $2. I don't know if that's a good deal or a bad deal. It's just that. We're using, what the hell is that stuff over there? That gin?
Did you put the egg in it?
Yes. He started with the egg.
I started with the egg.
He was unaware that we were going to start filling over again.
I thought we were going to jump cut.
Oh, we did.
Like the screech jump cut.
I am, but I'm jump cutting from the beginning.
Yeah.
So, because
He's
there's a
gonna
lot
do
of stuff we said in the other one that is
No
no longer
butter?
relevant.
It's not broken yet.
No.
It's on its way, though.
Yeah,
Maybe
maybe.
it's way to butter. If it turns
That's
into
maybe
butter,
broken.
Yeah,
Maybe it's a Hendrix.
That would be weird.
Yeah, I mean it's just gin.
I don't understand the chemistry here.
Yeah, something is throwing off.
He's got me all wet.
unless it's the heavy cream,
Yeah, maybe the cream is just not.
maybe it's just at the rate where it's ready to. What are you doing?
Smell it. It smells delicious.
Well, we had the butter. It was fine.
This
Right?
smells like the butter.
Oh, well, that's kind of what it's supposed to smell like, right?
So TWB wants to know, why do you cut the nips off the limes and lemons before you squeeze them?
Because it's impolite to squeeze with nips.
I don't know if this is a quiz question or not.
It just makes it easier.
It makes
Yeah,
it easier because
That's it.
you don't end up
This is
with the
gonna get
lime
no-
getting all kinds of weird.
We don't have any foamy head on this, though.
No.
It's foaming up.
A little bit.
It's not.
There it goes. Oh no, there it goes.
See?
It's
There you
like
go.
me.
It's coming.
You didn't shake it for 27 minutes.
Well, there you go. It's good.
You want better head.
That's the smallest.
Camera
Oh,
needs to go
The
off.
foam holds it.
yeah, that's true. Because that can't. The Collins glass is tall.
It's a nice thick head.
It's pretty looking.
Show me a
It's like
dickhead.
ice cream.
He said the thick head's pretty looking.
Ice cream soda. Only
Ice cream
tastes
soda.
better.
See, it looks good.
You can also add a dash of vanilla extract if you'd like to make it more ice creamy.
Mm.
Um,
Or you can shake for 15 minutes.
or you can shake it for 15 minutes,
No,
make
do
butter.
not shake her for 15 minutes.
Then you can put it on your toast. And you
good
can have a
drink.
Ramos
Good drink.
Fizz toast.
Hmm.
Dying.
I feel like it's so much better with a long shake.
It's just lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's airy.
Yeah, it's a lot more airy, more just fluffy.
Yeah.
But the taste is the same. It's just the mouthfeel isn't exactly
Yeah.
the same. Yeah, whatever.
That's the experience with a Ramos Gin Fizz, I think, mostly is the
Yeah.
mouthfeel.
So if you go to
Still a delicious drink. But
if you go to New Orleans, which I found out Fat Tuesday means Mardi Gras, 0
strike
days
that
old or
reverse
something.
one. Yep.
Yeah.
If you order one of these drinks, you would have heard this already if you got to see the video we aren't putting out. But when they're making these drinks, because it takes so long,
You
they
can
have
see
to
the bar.
shake it behind the bar, and they're making another drink with this one. It might be another Ramos Gin Fizz, and they have to do this, and that person's tied up. Ramos Gin Fizz costs a lot of money. Like, if you look at the bar, I can't remember what it was, but it's like double what a normal cocktail would cost. And it doesn't have double the ingredients, but you're taking
the time.
the bartender's time.
Right. If
Now-
you order them, tip your bartender.
Yeah,
Generously.
tip generous, and if you factor in percentage, you're already going to do that anyway. If you
good
go to
drink.
the Bourbon O, they have paint shakers, and they just put them in a paint shaker, and they run behind them, and the bartender can go do their thing, and they can come back 5-10 minutes
You
later or
don't have to
whatever.
tip that.
And they have different costs, if I remember
discretion.
correctly. Doesn't the Bourbon O have 2 costs for a 5-minute shake and a 10-minute shake?
I believe they did.
Yeah.
Because you're still using their machine, and that means somebody else isn't getting their drink. So, and people tend to order this a lot because there's no other bar you can go to in like the rest of the U.S. that I know of where you can order a properly made Ramos Gin Fizz outside of Louisiana and New Orleans.
Yes.
So everybody goes there. They get Gin Fizzes and Pim's Cups and
And
Pim's
champion
Cups.
anything with
awesome.
absinthe.
and the big
Oh, yeah, the hurricane.
trophy.
Yeah.
Hurricanes.
Oh, the trophy thing. No, the
Trophy thing that we got with Kyle.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think that's what they ordered.
But
Oh,
hurricane
that's a
is,
Bourbon
yeah,
O.
definitely a steam.
That was at Bourbon O.
So you're gonna get Hurricane, Gin Fizzes, the other
And you
drink
might
I
see
said,
people filming a movie.
purple drinks. And that's just
Amen.
that's the kind of and the absinthe frap I think is the one that you get a lot.
Yeah.
So there's like certain drinks that you can get there that are really
The
exclusive
Midas
to there.
Cup.
Midas Cup.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
Midas
that's
cup.
the one.
How
Yeah.
did you?
Because he's on the website.
I'm on their website. I was trying to see if they had
It's a
it.
good place to drink, though.
Yeah.
So I would check that out. Probably give it a couple months. Oh, summertime is really hot there.
Mm.
I don't know how the whole mask
Yeah,
thing
don't
is
go
working
in
out.
like June or July.
Yeah.
It's hot.
So I encourage you to try a 5-minute shake and see if you can churn butter or not. We've done this before. There's another video if you want to watch Ian shake for like I think it was 10 minutes that time. We edited it down.
Yeah.
That was when we were
Or you sped it
over
up or
there at the
something.
table. Yeah, it was
It's
a
a lot
lot
of
of
shaking.
shaking, and it worked. So I don't know what we did this time, but it's still it's tasty. It's worth the experience. You can make it at home without having to fly all the way to New Orleans and all that stuff. This specific recipe, I believe, is
And
from recipe.drinks.com.
And all you really got to pick up that's different is like
It's the orange flower water.
Everything
Yeah.
else you get club soda wherever.
Right.
Lemon, lime juice, your gin, your simple syrup, your cream.
There's I don't know if there's a DIY orange flower water. The one that was when I used to sell it at Austin Drinks, but nobody was buying it. Like such a niche thing. You can get it on Amazon for a couple bucks. There's another brand I guess that's supposed to be good. Morgenthaler. If you search for Morgenthaler orange flower water, he'll send a link to Amazon for the one that he suggests, and he did like all that type of weird research where he drank them straight and
It's like orange
whatever.
flowers.
Yeah, it's like it's like water. It's just
Like
still
any
water.
orange flower?
Taste it. You'll see.
Is it like any orange flower?
Yeah,
Or
it's like a
It's
you
flower
pick-
extract.
Sometimes it's an Indian paintbrush. Sometimes it's a daffodil.
Indian paintbrush.
It just reminded me of that movie with Warren Beatty and Holly Berry back in the day. Bulworth.
bull?
Yeah, the picture of Bulworth. He was like a politician, and he had a big mouth, and you just like. That's an obscure reference.
Are you saying I got a big mouth?
Yes,
He
bubblegum
had a big
shrimp.
mouth for orange flower water.
Yeah.
We're all, I guess, we're all programmers. He doesn't really. He knows how to program.
I program.
He just tells people when they're programming wrong.
He's more successful than I am lately, I think.
Programming?
Programming. Yeah.
Oh, that's sad.
I don't know about that.
But yeah, he's more of the manager type
Definitely when it
now.
comes to Android. So.
So, sidebar, more videos, probably gin related, summer related, something good, something tasty. Down below, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit, where you can get those. You can use Shake It, save 20% at awesomedrinks.com until July 31st, 2021. That's it. We did
Teach you
it.
how to drink.
That's right.